Captain here, time to review the amazing Vitamix Blender. I'm going to tell you exactly why I love it so much and why I think that you are really going to love it too. This Vitamix Blender is a workhorse. It's one of those things that once you use it, you will never ever be able to go back to life without it. It's really an experience to use it. The Vitamix does everything. You can process food in it, chop vegetables, make salsa, make baby food, make soups. You can make frozen sorbets. You can make smoothies. You can make green drinks. There's so many options of what you can make in this amazing blender. I'm going to show you something I'm making that's called strawberry freeze, which is basically frozen strawberries with a little bit of milk and honey, and it makes it like a sorbet type consistency. We call it strawberry freeze because you could do the same thing with bananas. But I just want to give you a glimpse of the power of the Vitamix and also the consistency that is the end result with making frozen fruits. So I'm going to start with it just turning on. And now I'm going to turn it off to the high setting. So let me show you what it is going to look like on the inside now. See how it's turning into that delicious sorbet tight consistency? It's got a little bit to go, so I'm going to just push these strawberries down a little bit more, use this tamper to do it, then turn it back on, and we're almost there. It's going to taste so good. So turn back on. Okay, it's all done. So let me show this to you. It's so easy to make. See, look at that. It tastes so good, and you can also do this with bananas. And let me grab a spoon and just dish some out for you. That's how easy it is to make a yummy desserts and snacks in the Vitamix. Definitely grab this amazing machine. You're going to be so glad you did, and you're going to use it every day. I promise.